Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I want to show you how to change language on your iPhone. Let's open settings and you want to scroll to General section. Now from General, select Language and Region section. And now here you can see the section Preferred Languages. So you want to tap on Add Language and you have to select from this list your desired language. Let's change it to German, for example, and you will see a message on your screen that your iPhone asks you if you want to change the primary language to the new one. I will stick to English. The iPhone will restart to apply the new language. And now, as you can see here, I added my German. Additionally, if you want to change your primary language without adding a new one, you have to tap and hold the three lines next to the language that you want to use and drag it to the top of the list, and then you have to release it. And applying this setting will restart your iPhone. You want to tap continue, and then your iPhone will change to the language that is set on the top of the list. That is basically it, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.